Love couples and energetic healing couples. To experience SEH as a healing meditation, we need an energetic healing partner. This can be our own life partner or another soul of the other polarity, yin or yang. It should be a soul that we perceive as sympathetic and loving, to whom we may even feel a little affection. SEH is not about a physical union, but about the union of the two astral bodies and our auras. This is exactly what happens during an embrace, when both breathe through their heart chakra. This takes trust in ourselves and in the energetic healing partner. If you would like to experience the exercises in this book together with another soul, and you do not have an interested partner, then communicate this lovingly and honestly and find a suitable energetic healing partner. For the time of the joint SEH experience, the two souls will become an energetic healing couple. Each soul connection finds different boundaries with each other and also a different form of heart and love feeling. Maybe that is why we want to exchange our energetic healing partners regularly, especially since each astral body has a very different balancing effect on us. What is the difference between a love couple and an energetic healing couple in the moment of SEH experience? If we can be completely in the here and now, then there is none. While being together, we only feel our being with each other. We breathe love and light. We feel love. That is all that is important in these moments. Maybe the energetic healing couple imposes different boundaries and taboos on themselves than a loving couple does with years of trust built up. Or maybe they don't, because the old boundaries feel too rigid. Loving and honest communication with all involved is the most important basis for harmonious and energetic healing experiences. Every loving couple still remains a loving couple. Nothing changes in this bond, because it is about an unfolding, not about a switch or about new boundaries. If the newly experienced feelings of an opened heart chakra are perceived as expanding and not limiting, the new experience will make itself felt in a positive way, also in our already existing relationships. If a previously completely monogamous couple relationship is not ready for such an expansion at the moment, it needs a lot of loving, honest communication and a lot of clarity with each other. It is not the right way for all couples to open up. It is possible that new bonds and new forms of joint relationships may emerge, and not everyone wants that. Therefore, let us always be aware of our decisions and steps, and let us not hurt anyone willfully. You can find an energetic healing partner to practice with, for example in a cuddle group that you visit or initiate yourself. People with a naturally strong need for closeness are ideal practice partners, because you will love to hold each other in your arms for 30 minutes or longer. Another way of getting together can be in the heart chakra breathing groups, which I describe in a separate chapter. Or ask in your yoga, meditation or friends group. We live in exciting times. If you seek an energetic healing partner and visualize it actively, but as non-concrete as possible, on a daily basis, Gaia, or a higher spirit, God, the universe, creation, will eventually provide you with a suitable soul. Pay attention to the signs and synchronicities and follow them. They are the breadcrumbs on your path.